This is my friend Demarc, and I invited him to Printful with a challenge to create an outfit with custom print-on-demand products from Printful.
Hey, what's up? I'm Demarc, a designer from Jamaica living in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I'm here today to design an outfit.
I invited Demarc because he has a good sense of design and fashion, as you can see from his Instagram page. And today he's going to show us what it takes to design an outfit collection and unbox it for us.
Ooh, okay, hold on. I see something exciting. Yes, yo! This graphic is perfect.
First, we went through the catalog to select which custom products would be used for the outfit collection.
Oh my gosh, I can't decide. There's so many good ads.
After looking through the Printful catalog, Demarc decided on these items for his outfit collection: the Oversized Faded T-Shirt by AS Color, the foam trucker hat, the Oliver Print recycled unisex mesh shorts, and the Oliver Print utility crossbody bag. After picking these pieces, Demarc taught me about his design process, where he starts, and how he gets to the final design.
Yeah, so my design process typically involves 5 steps. For the first step, I typically research and understand the goals of what I'm designing. Think, what do I want to do? I landed on chess because I've been playing a lot lately. Then I started working on some sketches of what different concepts could look like. Then after sketching, I kind of went into a combination of Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator just to get my ideas out. Photoshop for image manipulation and Illustrator for, doing graphics. My next step was to kind of test them. So I did some mock-ups again in Photoshop, but on blanks of t-shirts, hats, and just seeing how the graphics looked. In certain cases, I made revisions on the color palette just to make sure that the background that I envisioned as far as the color of the garment coordinated well with the design. My favorite part about designing the collection was working with a theme like chess. I think it's been done so many times, but trying to put a unique twist on it to make it really cool. And then once it passed that test, then I was ready to launch. Then I brought my designs into Printful, set up the products, and then ordered.
Then I was curious about Demarc's thoughts on what is the most important thing to consider when creating an outfit.
Yeah, you definitely want to have some kind of through line connecting all the different items in your collection, whether that's a theme or a color or some kind of imagery, just something to connect everything together and make it feel cohesive.
Once the outfit was fulfilled, it was time for Demarc to see how his work turned out.
Let's get this side. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Wow. So this is the crossbody bag. Nice. I love how wavy this checkerboard pattern is. It's not like just straight and rigid. And then I have that little logo design. Very cool. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, okay, hold on. I see something exciting. Yes, yo. This graphic is perfect. It came out perfect. Oh my God. Yes, this is what these chess pieces are supposed to look like. I love it because it looks like metallic, but also glass and glossy. There's just something about the way I did that texture. Man, that's really good. The Clarendon Chess Club. So just for context, Clarendon is the parish that I grew up in Jamaica. So this is like a fictional chess club that I invented that, I may bring it to life. Next time I go home, I may actually start this chess club. Okay. I think these are the shorts. This is so impressive. This is so cool. Yeah, with that little logo there. Clarendon Chess Club. Oh. Yes. I've been dying to see how this turned out. This is so perfect. The chess pieces are just highly detailed. That's incredible.
Now that Demarc has unboxed the outfit, it was time to try it on and see how it all comes together.
I love the quality of the material. The prints came out really nicely, and I'm especially happy with the way these chess pieces came out because of how much detail is there. But all the detail is captured perfectly. When I first came up with this graphic for the t-shirt, I knew I was going to put that same graphic on the hat. So I had concerns because of how small it is, but actually it turned out very nicely, and all that detail has been captured in the embroidery. So I really like how it turned out.
So there you have it, an outfit created with custom Printful products and what it took to bring it to life. If you want to see the latest product releases in the Printful catalog, be sure to check out the link in the description so you can design your outfit today.